I just want to see if they tender. If they tender ain't the word.
Alright, so the easiest way that I make Chipotle's barbacoa meat, or how I even make the meat for burrito tacos or any steak taco related thing, I do the exact same thing. Super fucking easy, super flavorful. I promise it's gonna be good, but you ain't gotta believe me. Just try it out for yourself. Anyways, we got damn near a 3-pound chuck roast right here. All I did was put olive oil on both sides and use a taco seasoning packet. I used the mild packet. And then in the crock pot, we got it on high because it's going to be cooking for 6 to 7 hours. I got 2 cans of red enchilada sauce, the mild kind. And it is the 19 ounce. And then I got 1 whole packet of hot and spicy in there and a half a packet of this because I wouldn't have done this if I didn't have it, but I found an already open pack. So I was like, fuck it, we're just going to put that in there. And so I added that in there. So again, I got 1 packet of mild taco seasoning. On this, I got this whole packet in the crock pot and the second half of this in the crock pot. 2 19-ounce cans. How much sauce depends on how much meat you got. If I need more sauce, I got a little baby can right here. And I promise to God, that's it. Enchilada sauce, taco seasoning packets, a roast in a crock pot, Chipotle barbacoa, or burrito tacos or steak taco meat. That's the way to go. Alright, we got the red onion and the jalapenos chopped up for the sweet white corn. We got the green peppers and red onion sliced up for the fajitas. And we got the freshly chopped cilantro. Well, can't really see it right now. But freshly chopped cilantro for the rice and the corn. And, oh, I wish I could smell it. I wish I could smell it. It's 3... When did we start this? 12:30? Something like that. Noon, 12:30? Something like that. 3 o'clock on high. And it's piercing through, but we are far from done. Making Chipotle's corn is so easy. You need some sweet white corn, okay? Warm it up on the pot or microwave, whatever. I warm mine up on the pot. You only want the corn, you don't want the juice. You have your sweet white corn. You're gonna need some salt. You got some chopped red onions and jalapenos and cilantro. I'm gonna add all 3 of these in here. I'll be right back. And voila, Chipotle corn salsa, or whatever they call it. Sweet white corn, fresh cilantro, jalapenos, red onion, some salt. You don't want the juice, you just want the corn. I'm gonna go ahead and top the sauce to the side while I make everything else.